Alright, scrappers, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for checking back in. Gonna ride shotgun with me today. We're gonna try to tear apart this US Motors. It's a big motor. It's 5 horsepower. Draws like 15, almost 16 amps at 208 volts, 230, 480. It's got everything. So yeah, let's get into her and see what we got in it for copper. We'll see if it's gonna participate here, or is it gonna be a bummer to me, huh? Gotta hold that, it's turning. Will this fit it? Yes. All right, let's take this off. I could just cut this, I guess. That might be faster. I'll just cut them. Okay, 2 down, 2 to go. I think this bushing on here is brass. It appears to be brass, but once you get past this point right here, then it's steel. So that must slide off of there somehow. Oh, let's take his cover off. Take his cover off. US Motors. Look at all the wire in there, huh? Oh, look at that, they're all the same color. Can you imagine trying to hook this thing up, huh? Yeah, all the same colors. That's bizarre. You wouldn't think they'd do that. Oh, come on. My good Doyle pliers, I must have left it at work someplace. I don't know where it is. Yeah. Got a call this afternoon from the hotel, and they want me to come up to Green Bay for the Packer game tomorrow night and park cars. So that might be kind of fun. So I thought I'd make this video tonight. It's Thursday night, about 6 p.m. I don't know why I'm taking this off of there, but I'm gonna. There we go. That's out of the way, kinda. Okay, scrappers. The GoPro went flat, as E-Waste Ben would say. She went flat. It's like a flat tire on a car. No. So anyways, we got 2 more bolts here to cut. I think I can cut them. Watch your eyes there. All right, now what are we gonna do here? Will it pop apart now? Will it work real nice? Should we turn it over? All right, now it should just pop right apart and fall apart. There, that's how we like it to come apart, kinda. How about this one now? You gonna come off there? Look at that, huh? I got a couple bolts there to get this off. I think this is cast aluminum. Yep, that's cast aluminum. Steel. That's steel. Oh, we're probably gonna have to cut. We're probably gonna have to cut again. But I want to cut by these fins because this is some really thick steel. And I still want to get this off, but I don't know if I'll do that on camera or not, but it's a pretty good chunk of brass, so hopefully I can get it off pretty easy. So yeah, we got, she's in there good. Gonna have to cut her. That's all there is to it. Try to cut from here right through there, and I should give it enough spread that it'll come out. So all right, kids, watch your eyes. All right. There she blows. I actually cut way too deep there. I didn't think I was through it. So yeah, now she should come out of there pretty easy. Pretty easy it should come out. Ooh, sticky, sticking around again. There we go. We got some nice heavy metal. And then we got this baby. Should we double check, make sure that it's copper? Yes, sirree. Looks like that winding right there was the one that caused this product to fail. She got kind of warm, I'd say. So yeah, should we try to chop that off and get this copper out of there? Number 2 copper. Might as well see if this is deep enough to, or if I need a new wheel. Yeah, she's she ain't cutting as easy as I see some of them cut. I don't know if I need a bigger wheel on there. No, it looks like we should do all right with that wheel yet. Okay, scrappers, I decided I'm just going to try the Sawzall and see what that does. Oh boy. All right. That seemed to work better than the grinder. So yeah, number 2 copper there. Might want to clean it up just a tad. Get some of this plastic off of here. Plastic wires. How'd you like to be the person that has to sit and wind that? This stringer on there. I bet you they, after a while, they could probably do it in their sleep. They could do it in their sleep. Boy, that's kind of messy. She's a mess. She's a mess, man. Look at that mess of wire stuff. That's yucky. It's a mess. All right, what do we got here? We got copper. Number 2 copper galore. See if I can get her in the number 2 copper bucket without dropping half of it on the floor. Come on. All right, well, now, are we gonna be able to get that out of there? Is it gonna pull out real easy? Yeah, no, it's not gonna pull out easy. Got slimies on my hand from it. Okay, let's see just how hard it's gonna be to get it out of there. Wonder if it works this way. I know what I need. I think it's right here. No, it was there. Now it's right here. Let's try this. There we go. In the number 2 bucket with you. Wonder if I should grab a little bucket. How about a little fireball bucket? I don't know where it went though now. I threw it over there somewheres. Oh well. Let's try her again here. See what happens. Punch from this way with her. Oh yeah, let's try something different, huh? See if this will do it. No, that thing doesn't want to work either. Some of them, I guess, can be harder than others. That's what I've been told. Some are harder than others. Come on. Well, I get some of that shellac off of it. Being hard to come out, gets some of that shellac off it. Come on. So yeah, we're getting there. Who do you think's gonna win the game tomorrow? Packers, or I think they're playing the Saints. Packers or the Saints? Let me know in the comments below. If they were all like this, I don't know if I'd even do it. but some of them come apart real easy, and then other ones decide to be a pain. Alrighty, look at there, huh? There we go. Look at that nice bucket filling up. She's filling up. Oh, that's heavy. That's a heavy chunk right there. All right, scrappers. I'd like to thank you all for watching the channel, and if you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. Really help out a lot. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera because I don't know how it's gonna be getting that off, and you don't like to sit and watch me fight stuff. I gotta find a wrench to fit those or something. So yeah, if I haven't bored you to death and you want some more, watch one of the videos on screen now.